This is Kathy here at the Thomasson family farm. This is a milestone for us. We have been waiting all season to move our new bridge that we built into our corn maze. We've run into a few problems with some broken equipment, haven't been able to move it until now, but we are very excited to see it coming down the driveway. Farmer Tim's got his Thomasson out. We had to bring it from the home dairy farm, which is about 5 miles from here, over because our bobcat isn't working and we have not been able to get it repaired in a timely manner. So here he comes. This is one of 3 sections that we will be bringing down. It will be an entrance to the corn maze this year. A great photo op and a great way to get up above the corn and look out over all of the trails out there to start you on your journey. I'll take you through the process of putting this down into the corn here. Stay with me and we'll pick him up down here when he gets to the down to the maze. We're taking it from the hill up where it was built on down over into, this is a picture of the corn maze over there. So we're going to put it right at the entrance there. I'm standing out here in the corn and I see that bridge coming on into place here. The bridge stands about 8 foot tall, 30 feet wide when it's all finished. Okay, we've decided we're going to set this piece of the bridge aside so we can get the 2 side pieces with the steps going up into place first, and once we get those into place we will come back and put this one in the middle of it. Okay, here comes the second part of 3 parts that are going to our bridge into our corn maze today. We're going to place this part in there first. We'll put the 2 ends in and then move the main part of the bridge into the field. That's our goal. We'll see how it goes. This is our first time doing this brand new bridge we've spent the summer building, so I'm excited to see it put into place. We're headed down towards the corn. You can see that first part of the bridge has already made that trip down there. So this one's getting a little help walk down by Farmers Ryan and Josh. And Farmer Tim is driving his Thomasson tractor. We'll see how this goes.
Yeah.
And we had to put that down and pick it up on the other side so we can drive this into the corn maze. So we're going to turn it around right here. Try not to take out too much corn with it while we put it in there. Okay, we've done all of our calculations. We're going to try and get it up over the corn. Okay, originally this was to go into the middle, but with problems we always have to have a plan B. Plan B is going into the field. Guided by our 2 guys on the ground. Guiding that step into place. Gives you an idea how tall the corn is out here. I've lost the guys altogether. Coming right down. We'll use the rest of that corn in our...
What? Turn to the fence more so we get a little straighter. And move forward then. Okay. Looks just about right there to me. Okay.
Going down.
Good? Well, yeah. We're a little crooked, but that's alright.
Okay. Got to reposition it a little bit to get that tractor with the forks out from underneath it. So they're going to push it a little farther into the corn so they can straighten up that tractor.
I think I can get out now.
We'll see how that goes. Oh, looks like he's got it. We got one piece into the corn. I can tell you, construction of this bridge started many, many months ago before we even planted the corn. It's nice to see it all come together.
We better put. Yeah, because once you put it in here, you're not going to be able to twist it in.
So we're going to go on up to the top and move the other bottom set of steps. Put that into place before we move the middle section of it in here. Looks pretty good there. That's just the bottom section. All right, here we go.
Are we ready, boys?
We're up at the top of the hill picking up the last section of our bridge. Gonna haul that back down to the cornfield. Put it into place.
No. Do we have enough room for the fork to the other side there? That'll help you carry more of it.
Might
I don't want
balance
to put
it.
the pressure on the steps. Oh yeah, you can't get this.
Do we have enough room there, Linda?
They've decided I need to be a counterbalance up here to get this this down here, so I am riding the step down to the corn. I hope I live to tell about it.
A little lighter this time?
He tells me that
Tilt it back just a bit if you can. There you go.
oh sure, no problem.
That keeps it from leaning this way.
You love me, right, dear? It's really not a bad ride. It's a good view of the corn up here. That was me. That's where we're headed, right down there where the bridges are.
This way. Oh, yeah, I take it out if I'm living a while.
Oh, we got the bench there. That's fine.
Now you get off now.
We have to get more people down here so we can lift this thing.
We got two little girls.
Okay, we've got our second part of this bridge. They wouldn't let me video it because they actually needed my help. I can't imagine such a thing. But we have one end sitting here. The other end is sitting right over here. We've got a 21-foot span in between. And now we are going to move this monster, 8 foot high, 21 foot long, and we are going to put that in the middle of the two. So we'll get that attached to the front of these forks and move it in. Okay, the center of the bridge is on the move, and we're going to pull that straight on in through the opening in the fence there. It's going to be great to stand above the corn as you go into that corn maze. Check out your route. It's gone in here pretty good today. Let's come back and move it over a couple inches. He's just about got it in there. Take some precise driving on that tractor, get that thing set into just where you want it to go. Looks like they've got just enough space in between there. We'll jockey them in and connect the two side pieces to the main bridge.
Back up.
Oh. Farmer Ryan right there, giving direction, trying to get that jockeyed right into place. just a little tight there.
I was on the ground. Yeah, on the ground.
Why don't we just sit
On the ground right now.
Looks like they're on the ground.
Tilt forward. Tilt forward. There you go.
Okay, there we go. Backside is sitting square on the ground. Hey, we're gonna jockey that around a little bit, reconnect those pieces together, and we have our bridge sitting in the corn. Come down and check us out. Open the 1st of October here at the Thomasson family farm. Got a couple weeks left, putting them all into place. It's looking great out here. Come join us. Got that Thomasson safely detached from the bridge. Well, there we are.
Yeah, we're so uneven here.
We'll flatten it out,
It's
straighten
leaning
it out.
hard this